Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the cable so the connector fits cleanly. Strip roughly 1/2 inch of the outer jacket, keeping the braid neat and folded back. This prevents shorts. Once done, trim the dielectric to leave about 3/16 inch of center conductor exposed so it seats into the connector pin. Make sure the braid isn't touching the center conductor. If it is, trim and restrip. This careful prep ensures a solid electrical contact and prevents signal loss. You now seat the connector onto the prepared cable, pushing straight until you feel it stop against the inner shoulder. This ensures the center conductor reaches the contact. Once seated, visually check that the center conductor sticks out about 1/16 inch from the connector tip and that the braid is under the ferrule. Place the assembly into the compression tool, align squarely, then compress firmly and steadily until the tool releases. This creates a tight mechanical and electrical bond that resists corrosion. You finish by attaching the new F connector to the device, hand tightening first, then giving a small wrench turn, about 1/8 to 1/4 turn, so you avoid damaging threads. Next, check the signal. Watch the video output or use a meter to confirm levels and continuity. If you see noise or no signal, immediately remove the connector and inspect for braid touching the center conductor or for a shorted pin. If needed, cut back a bit, restrip, and install a fresh connector to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.